Welcome back, guys. So what we want to do now is that we've created our designs, we've done the needful, we've created a video, we've created a design, we've done the write-up, so everything is all set. So right now we want to start connecting our pages to this Canva AI, not Canva AI, to Canva itself. So what I want to do now is to come back to Canva. I'll come to the home page. Since I have my designs already, I don't need to stress it too much. So what I can do is to come right now to start afresh. So what I want to do now is to connect our accounts from Facebook to Instagram to LinkedIn. So I want to connect all the accounts in one place so we could use it for whatever we want to use it for. So what I want to do now is to start all over again. So I want to create a post. So what I want to do now is to say I want to create this Instagram post. I could use this size specification. So I could just use this size specification just to start a design. So I could bring in my design. I could bring it in as a design after I've used AI to design it. So I just want to start a new page afresh since we did a real video, and instead of we trying to delete and tweak it, so I could just bring this in. So I'll just bring this in right now. All I have to do is to drag and come drop it. So it's going to upload. Then we are going to have the design right here. So all I have to do is to set the image as background after it has been uploaded. It's been uploaded right away, and this is the progress of the upload. So I'm going to wait for that to be uploaded, and here it has been uploaded. All I have to do is to set image as background, and I'm going to have something like this. So this is the image I want to share to different social media pages. So what I want to do now is to share. I'm going to click on share, and having to click on share, what I want to do now is to say I want to see all, and having to see all, you're going to see how to share this, and you could schedule it ahead of time. So let's say we want to share and you see all this, so you could send to phone, you could share to socials. So this is the one I want to use. So we have TikTok, we have Twitter, we have all these right now. So what I want to do now is to start sharing. So I could share to a Facebook page. So we could say Facebook page, and we've not connected a Facebook page yet. So all I have to do is to connect it. I'm going to click on connect, and it's going to connect with the Facebook account you have on your Chrome browser. And once that connection is done, you'll be able to automate and start posting automatically. So I would say continue. Yes, it's going to continue this just to connect with the Facebook page. And if I have business pages, you're going to see your business pages right now. So I'm continuing, and here we are. So right here we're going to see the businesses. So right now the page that's connected to the main page, now we have businesses, we have Amazon, we have Billard Creative Studio. So I want to connect to Billard Creative Studio, of course. So I'm going to click Billard Creative Studio. Then what do I write? What do I write right here? So I'm just going to write the Facebook post, which is this, and I'm going to just say I'm going to take this out. Then I'm going to start from here. So we're going to have this copied, yep, and I'm going to come back here. Then I'm going to have it pasted here. So we have the whole content right here that we generated with Canva AI. So it says, ever wondered how you can take your brand's visual content to the next level without breaking the bank? Yep. So I'm going to start this. It says, well, I've got some great news for you. Canva, a user-friendly design tool, is here to help you do just that. Canva is a game changer for small and medium enterprises. It's like having a graphic a designer in your pocket, but without the FT price tag. With Canva, you can create stunning designs for your business, whether it is social media posts, presentation, or marketing materials. The best part, you don't need any design experience to use Canva. It is packed with thousands of templates that you can customize to match your brand. Just pick a template and add your text, and voila, you've got a professional looking design ready to go. But that is not all. Canva also offers a library of free photos, graphics, and fonts, so you can say goodbye to expensive stock photo subscriptions and hello to endless design possibilities. And let's not forget about collaboration. With Canva, you can invite your team members to view, edit, and comment on your designs. So we are going to have this. Makes it easier than ever to work together on your visual content. So if you are looking to boost your brand's visual game, give Canva a try. It is a powerful tool that can help SMEs like yours make a big impact with little effort. Happy designing. So you could write up to 5,000 characters of text, but right now we have this, and this will be for a Facebook post. So we're going to have the hashtag Bullard Creative. Then I'm going to Control A to copy what I have right here, and all I have to do now is to publish it right away. So I'm going to click on publish now. Then it publishes the design. It's publish it to Facebook page. Then you're going to see the result right away. So this is the Facebook page I connected Canva to, and see we automated my post from Canva, the design I just did. All I did was to share it to my Facebook page, and you would see it right here on the Facebook page. So I'll come to my home, and I'm going to try to come to Bullard Creative Studio. Then you would see the design right here. Look at it right here. What I just posted is shown already. So this is the design and this is the automation. So look at the results right here. So we have this, and that is what we just did. So Canva did all this for us, whether you like it or not. So you could check it out. Publish by Canva. That's what you're seeing right here. So it's going to tell you this is published by Canva. So it's as easy as that. Creating a post and automating it is as easy as that. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.